Setting task due dates in teamwork.com is an essential feature to help you manage your projects and tasks efficiently. Whether you're new to the software or looking to fine-tune your process, understanding how to set due dates is crucial for staying organized and ensuring your team is on track. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to set task due dates in teamwork.com, and I'll show you a few tips that will take your task management to the next level. To get started, open the task you'd like to assign a due date to. If you're creating a new task, click on the Add Task button in the project or task list where you'd like the task to appear. Once you've got your task open, you'll see the option to add a due date. Click on the calendar icon next to the due date field. This will bring up a calendar, and from here, you can select the exact date that the task is due. You can easily select a specific day by clicking directly on the calendar, but Teamwork also gives you flexibility with time zones, and even setting specific times within that day. So if you want the task completed by 5 p.m., just pick the date and time that works for your schedule. Don't forget to save the changes, and the task will now have its due date set. One of the great things about Teamwork is its ability to add reminders as well. Once you've set a due date, you can add reminders so you or your team members get notified before the task is due. You can set the reminders to pop up a day or even an hour before the task deadline. This ensures that tasks don't slip through the cracks, especially on busy days. Teamwork also allows you to adjust the due date after the task is already created. If you need to extend or shorten a deadline, just open the task, click the due date, and choose a new date from the calendar. This is incredibly useful for keeping projects on track, especially when things need to shift quickly. But here's a pro tip. When you have multiple tasks that depend on each other, setting realistic due dates is key. You can set dependencies between tasks so that the due date of one task influences the others, ensuring that everything stays aligned. This makes it easier to see the bigger picture, especially on larger projects where tasks are interdependent. Once you've set the due dates, you can view them in the task list or board view. Teamwork allows you to sort your tasks by due dates so you can see what's coming up soon and prioritize accordingly. This view is especially handy for keeping your projects organized and ensuring nothing is overdue. For those of you managing multiple projects, Teamwork allows you to set due dates across several tasks in different projects. You can even use the My Tasks view to get an overview of everything you're responsible for, making it easy to stay on top of your workload. Before we wrap up, here's something important. You can get started with Teamwork for free right now. Check the link below to get an exclusive extended trial with some amazing bonuses. Don't miss out on this opportunity to try out the software and experience how easy it can be to manage tasks and deadlines in your projects. You won't regret it. So there you have it. Setting due dates in teamwork.com is simple and flexible, but when combined with reminders, dependencies, and proper organization, it becomes a powerful tool to keep your team on track. Be sure to experiment with these features and customize your setup to match your workflow. Remember, you can start using Teamwork for free and make sure you're getting the most out of this project management tool. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the link for your extended free trial.